How to fix OMI loading screen or loading error. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how you will be able to do a quick fix if your camera here on the right side panel on the screen keeps loading or buffering like what you are seeing on your screen right now. All we have to do here is to make sure that you remove some of the extensions that you have that is currently using the camera, since that is one of the reasons why your camera is loading. You need to check your internet connection as well and make sure that you have allowed your camera settings here for your OMI account. So you'll be able to see here that my camera and microphone is allowed, or I have granted access for the platform. And that's basically it. Once you have set up and deleted or removed any extensions that is relating to using the camera, you can go ahead and refresh your OMI platform or the website, and you'll be able to successfully use the platform from there. And that's basically it. That's how you fix if ever your camera or you have a loading screen on OMI. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!